Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can have or install the Google Chrome on your Windows 10 or 11 operating system, so the fast and secure web browser. So we're going to open the default browser of our Windows, which is the Microsoft Edge. So type Edge in the Windows search bar, click on it under the best match, maximize it. In the search bar, simply type Chrome, download, hit enter, and you'll find the first option from the official website www.google.com. Click on that. Google Chrome, the fast, secure web browser that is built to be yours. Then here you'll find this button, download Chrome for both your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Simply click on that. Now the setup file will be downloaded and you just need to wait for that. Now once done, click on it and then close the Edge browser. And this will now be downloading and installing the Chrome browser. So let's just wait in a while so that we can sign in into our Chrome browser. And now this is installing the application. So now Google Chrome is installed into our Windows. And now to confirm if this is already installed, simply type Chrome. And there you go, Google Chrome is now an application, and you just need to simply sign in with your account from here and enjoy browsing on the Chrome browser. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.